Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valorant error couldn't update. Something went wrong with the update even after repairing. So if you're getting this error in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to completely close Riot Client and run Riot Client as an admin and then update Valorant and then check. So first of all, close this Riot Client. Then right click on system tray and select task manager. Then go to the detail tab and then here search for Riot and close all these services. Right click on it and then select end task and then click on end process. After closing it, run the Riot client as an admin. So go to the file directory of the Riot client, open File Explorer, open C drive, open Riot Games folder, open Riot Client folder, then right click on Riot Client Services exe file and then select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and check mark Run this program as an administrator, then hit Apply OK. Then go ahead, launch Riot Client and then go to the Valorant game and then try to update the game and check if a problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if this fix doesn't work, then follow the fix 2. Fix 2 is to repair Valorant and then try to update it and then check. So open Riot Client, click on Valorant and then click on your profile icon and then go to the settings and then from the left click on Valorant and then make sure enable auto update is unchecked. If it is ticked mark, then simply untick it and then click on repair and then click on start repair. And once the 100% of repair has been done, just wait for the repair process to get complete. And once the 100% of repair has been completed, then click on OK, then close it. And then you can try to update the game or resume the update and check if a problem is fixed or not. So these are two fixes that you can try to fix Valorant. Something went wrong with the update even after repairing. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.